Hello, doers, and welcome back for another tutorial. Today we're talking about how we handle deliveries with multiple items when only some of the items are available in our inventory. It's pretty common for customers to order more than one product for delivery. However, sometimes we don't have everything they ordered in stock. When this occurs, there are two ways we can proceed. First, we can wait until all the ordered products are available and then send them together in a single package. This makes the delivery take a bit longer, but it allows us to reduce the amount of packaging we use and the number of delivery orders we need to process. Second, we can send the available products right away and create a back order for the rest, which will be delivered once they're in stock. This is useful in situations where a customer needs some items immediately and doesn't want to wait for everything to ship at the same time. We can choose the method that's best for your company using a setting in the inventory app, so let's go ahead and see how. Alright, here we are on the dashboard of the inventory app. First thing we need to do is click on configuration and head down to settings. And then here in the operations section, I need to find the picking policy section, which is right here. If I click on the drop-down menu for the setting, you can see we have two options. The first one being ship products as soon as available with back orders, and the second one being ship all products as once. For now, I'll leave it set to the second option, ship all products at once, so I can show you the workflow with that selected. Don't worry though, we'll take a look at that other option in a bit. So let's make sure to save before moving forward. And all right, we'll start by going back to the main Odoo dashboard and opening up the sales application. Then I'll go ahead and click on orders, then to quotations, and I'll click new to create a new RFQ. Let's say one of our customers, Terry Green, wants to buy one of our chairs as well as the cushion that goes along with it. So let's add those to the product line fields here, chair, cushion. And based on the little chart icon next to the cushion, I can tell I don't have the cushion in stock since it's in red. Despite the fact that we only have the chair in stock, let's go ahead and click on confirm to turn this quotation into a sales order or an SO. Now, I'll go ahead and click the delivery smart button that appears at the top of the screen to open the delivery order for this SO. At the top of the delivery order, I want to point out two things. First, the validate button appears in gray rather than purple. This means the order isn't ready to be shipped yet. This is also confirmed by the fact that the order is still in the waiting stage. We can also see evidence of this if we head over to the inventory app and click on the delivery orders card here. The big purple button says 0 to process, which means we don't have any orders ready yet to deliver. At the same time, a link appears to the right of it, which reads 1 waiting. This represents the delivery order that was just created. I can navigate to it by clicking on the 1 waiting and then selecting this order here. Now, I could process the delivery anyways by clicking on validate and creating a back order, but I won't do that for this order. Instead, I'll go to the purchase application so we can buy the cushion we need and ship both of the items at once. I'll click on new to create a new RFQ and select Chairs Ahoy as our vendor. And then add 1 unit of the cushions to the product tab. And then I'll go ahead and click confirm to confirm this order. From this point, then I'll go ahead and click on receive products and then click on validate on the order line to enter the cushion into our inventory. Now, when I head back to the inventory application, the big purple button on the deliveries order card now says 1 to process because all the items are available for our delivery order. So I'll click on the 1 to process button here and select the delivery order. On the order, we can see that the validate button is now purple and the status bar is advanced to ready. Finally, I'll just click validate on to send the products on their way to their customer and complete this order. All right, now let's see how the other picking policy setting works. I'll start by going back to configuration, down to settings, and then let's go back to the picking policy and click on the drop-down menu and switch this to ship products as soon as available with back orders, and then click save. Then I'll head over to the sales application once again and click on new to create a new quotation. Let's enter our customer Terry Green once again, and we'll add the same products here, which will be the 1 chair and 1 cushion. After, I'll go ahead and click confirm to turn this quotation into an SO. And this time, let's go ahead and select the Delivery Smart button to open the delivery order again. Unlike the previous delivery order, the Validate button already appears in purple, and the status bar also reads as ready. This is because Odoo recognizes that we can ship part of the order now and the rest later. Since we don't have the cushions in stock, when I click on Validate here, I get a pop-up window asking if I want to create a back order. I do, so I'll go ahead and click on Create Back Order. The chair has now been shipped to the customer while the back order delivery has been created for the cushion. To open it, I'll use the breadcrumbs to get back to the SO and return to the order. And now I'll select the Delivery Smart button on the top once again and click on the most recent delivery order. Once we stock up on the cushion product and send 1 unit to the customer, all I need to do is click on Validate to process the delivery order. And there you have it, Odooers. You now know how to use both picking policy options in the inventory app. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you next time.